Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us see number functions in Power Query Editor. Here I have loaded some data. Let us see the details. This is data table and this is the sales details table. So first let us open the Power Query Editor by clicking on Transform Data option and select Transform Data. Here we have details like discount percentage. First let us see about roundup and rounddown. First let me duplicate this data. Duplicate. Remove other columns. So round function is used to round the values to the nearest values. So to round up we have many methods. Let me explain one by one. First click on add columns. Select custom column. We name it as round. Call the function. So since these are number functions, call number dot round. So call the table discount percentage. Click OK. So these values are rounded to the nearest value. For 15.5 nearest value is 16. For 8.5 value is 8. So there are in rounding of functions only there are round up and round down. So let us see these two functions also. Go to custom column. Name it as roundup. Write the function since this is number function roundup. Discount percentage, click OK. So up means it will be rounding to the up value. See 15.5 value, next value 16, 8 next value now 9. So it will be rounded to the next value. Round down, let us see the round down value also. Go to custom value, round down, write the formula, number dot round down. Click OK. So this 15.5 round down value is 15, 8, 8, 14, 14. So like that it will discard after point values and it will be rounding down. Now, so this we have done using the custom column. If you observe in add column we have an option called rounding. We can use this, select this column and select round. We will get the, we can select the decimal places. Let me select one. So see, it is rounding to decimal value only for 1 point. Now let us see the round up. So this is the round up value. Simply we can select and round down. So this is the round down value. So this is all about the rounding functions. Now let us see even functions and odd functions. Here let us select this column to find even and odd. First add custom column. Name it as even. Call the function number dot even. number dot is even, call the function, close the bracket. If it is even, we will get true. If it is odd, we will get false. So let me delete these columns. So see, it is 16 is an even number, so we will get true as output. So 7 is an odd number, we are getting false as output. So this is how we use the even function. Now let us see odd also. Let me rename it as odd. Number dot is odd. Call the function round. Okay. So we get the result. If it is even, we will get false as result. If the number is odd, we will get true as result. So instead of going to custom column, we can simply select these functions also, is even, is odd. Like this we will get the result. Similarly, if you go to home button, transform button, here we have an option called rounding. Instead of creating a new column, here we can round up, down, or simply round. Click OK. So the value will be rounded. No new column will be created. Similarly, we can see for even and odd also. Select, sorry, not information. So we will get the result in the column itself. Next, let us see the sign function. The data, let us see if we have any column with negative values. See, let us select this profit and loss column. The information, see, let us add a column. In information, we have sign. If it is even, we will get 1 as output. Odd, -1. If it is 0, we will get 0 as output. So this is the output we got. For the negative, -100 is negative number, so we get -1 as output. For 0, 0 we get. For the positive numbers, we get a 1 as output. So this is about the sign function. Now let us see add, subtract and divide functions. Let us go to this sheet. Let us add this round and roundup functions. If we select these two, we have an option called here. See, we have a standard. Here we can add, multiply, subtract or divide. First let us add. So this is the addition output. These two columns will be added. Now let us subtract these two columns. So this is the subtract output. Similarly, let us multiply this round up and round down. So this will be the output multiplication of the two columns. Now let us see divide. Divide by 2. Click OK. So this is the divide output. So like this we can perform all the number functions in the Power Query editor. So this is all about the number functions. Thank you.